Most new authors who try to use AI to write books end up wasting weeks, sometimes months, and still don't get the results that they want because they make the same 3 mistakes over and over again. And if you're serious about publishing a real high quality book in 2025 with AI, you need to avoid these. In this video, I'll break down the top 3 mistakes that beginners make, how to fix them, and what to do instead if you actually want to succeed as a published author. My name's Jeff, and I help people use AI to write, publish, and profit from books the right way. I've seen all the shortcuts, all the gimmicks, and I know what actually works. So let's dive in. The first big mistake is treating AI like a magic button that just spits out a finished book. People open ChatGPT or another tool, type in a quick prompt, and copy and paste the result into a Word doc thinking they have a published ready manuscript. But here's the truth. Raw AI writing is generic, repetitive, and often full of factual errors. Readers spot it instantly. Amazon's algorithm punishes low quality content. Instead of copy and pasting, you need to learn how to guide the AI, structure your prompts, and then refine the draft. AI is a co-writer, not a replacement for editing. You still need your voice, your flow, and your input to make it real. If you skip this, your book will read like thousands of others out there and it just won't sell. Mistake number 2, choosing the wrong niche or topic. The second mistake is jumping into the wrong niche. I see new authors chasing trends or picking broad, oversaturated topics where they can't stand out. Or worse, writing a book they think sounds good without ever checking to see if readers are actually searching for it. The reality is, if you don't validate your niche, your book can be beautifully written but still sit at 0 sales. Know how to find those in-demand topics where readers are hungry for solutions. AI can help you draft the content, but if you're aiming at the wrong market, it doesn't matter how good your content is. You need a niche that has demand and low competition so that way your book stands out. Mistake number 3, skipping the polish. Now the third mistake is skipping the finishing touches. Too many beginners think that the text alone is enough, and then they upload an unformatted manuscript with a sloppy cover. Readers don't forgive that. Your book is judged by its cover and by its formatting and whether or not it has reviews. Think about it. You'd never buy a book that looks unprofessional, even if the content inside was decent. That's why formatting, cover design, and getting early reviews are all just as important as the writing itself. If you treat your book like a real product, then readers will too. If you don't, they'll pass you by. So those are the 3 big mistakes to avoid. Number 1, don't rely on raw AI output without refining it. Number 2, don't pick the wrong niche or ignore research. And number 3, don't skip the polish on formatting, cover, and reviews. Now, if you want to shortcut the trial and error and follow a step-by-step system that shows you exactly how to use AI the right way to publish high-quality books on Amazon, I put everything into my program, which is linked below. Inside, I show you how to pick winning niches, guide the AI to write publish-ready drafts, and get your book formatted and reviewed professionally so that way you can actually sell copies and build income as a real author. Check that out in the description, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below about what you are working on. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.